Okay, welcome back, guys. This is gonna be part 78 of our trading series. For those of you who are just joining in, so we've got 82,000 in our account. We have 580 in unrealized P&L. We have 58 positions opened, and most importantly, we started with $10,000 in March this year. So let's have a look at the track record. So this is our cumulative P&L. Actually, I think we can do 180 days. Yeah, so it's a fresh account, as you can see. So our equity is 82,000. We had a big week. We had a big outlier in terms of an 18K win on that day. But yeah, well, look, we're up. Our account is up at 8x or 7x our initial investment. So very, very happy with that. Very happy with the cumulative P&L. Quite limited drawdowns, as you can see, pretty low drawdowns. And yeah, I like to share this because no one else that I know on YouTube or Twitter actually shows their track record. So you don't really know, well, the reality is you do not know who you are learning from or who you're copying. Okay, so at least this way, you can see that every trade I post is the same account as I upload on YouTube. So if you are interested in following me, I will be making an official Telegram group chat. So if you want the invite, if you want to join, it's free, but you have to trade on one of my referral links below the description of the video. It doesn't cost you anything. So that's the deal. And yeah, I thought I would make this video to just briefly show you the current state of the account. And I'll find a way as well for those of you who are trading on my referral link, you'll have access to all of my positions live. So I'll probably give a website link. Actually, I'll do that. Yeah, I'll plug in the APIs from MEXC and I'll make a website that will be up 24/7. And anyone who is trading on my referral link with any of the exchanges will have access to all of my positions in real time, just as they're here. That'll be very interesting, I think, for people to track. Because throughout all of these days, every single day, I've had a position on, as you can see. There's not a single day when nothing has happened, right? Every single day. We can go on the last 30 days. So yeah, today we made 2,500, had pretty boring 2 days, then up 3.5, up 18, up 4, up 1,000, up 2,000. So pretty good days, or very good days. At the moment now, so I'm just looking at the account, we are pretty neutral. We're very, very neutral. I would say we have a slight negative bias, which I might change that. So I closed some of our ENA exposure. If you guys have been watching my other videos, you would know that, yeah, ENA is my highest conviction play at the moment, or it has been, right? We bought it all the way down here, right? So we're taking profits on ENA. I've taken profits on our Ethereum position. And yeah, the state of the market now, I would say, is we don't really know what's going on. Or at least I don't really know what's going on, right? ETH is super strong. ETH is looking very, very strong. I'm playing a scalp actually at the moment. So this is the invalidation right here. So I'm playing a scalp for now. It's a very clean invalidation. If we break below this, I'm out. That's okay. But otherwise, yeah, I really like this trade setup. But if you zoom out, clearly ETH, looking very strong. We've got the previous high up there, 4,100. So that's kind of where the liquidity lies. But I don't really want to predict the market. Like I can't predict the market. I just want to buy things cheap, sell things expensive. That's kind of what I want to do. And relative trade assets, relative value to each other. I'm not trying to predict the market. So yeah, that's that. Let me have a look. Yeah. I'm gonna remove link from my watch list just for personal reasons. Right, so the market as it stands, like, I don't think you should be bearish. I'm not bearish. I think what's evident is that BTC has been underperforming in relation to Ethereum and the market, especially in light of the news of the 401k in the US. It's probably not as bullish as I think the news, but something to note, right? The reaction of BTC to the news is pretty weak. I think that was it here. It's pretty weak, right? 1.5% move. I thought it would be stronger. Meanwhile, ETH is just going on an absolute tear. It's just, yeah, there's just no stopping ETH. So yeah, I find that quite interesting. I think in terms of Bitcoin dominance, right, I think it's a good time to be buying BTC and shorting altcoins at these levels, right? I think these are very good levels to, yeah, long BTC and short altcoins. As simple as that. I wouldn't short Ethereum. It's an outlier. It's got its own idiosyncratic flows, but I would short anything else outside of like ENA and Link, because they also have the treasury news as well. So that will be my game plan for the next few days. I don't really know what to short. I think, don't remember, I checked like GMX. Yeah, so like that's a short for me, for example. GMX, I think Arrow looked like shit. Yeah, Arrow is a short for me as well. I mean, that's a very tempting short, actually. Maybe we need to scale this up. Let's have a look. Yeah, I mean, that is a tempting short, I'm not gonna lie. So Arrow, do we have an Arrow position on already? Let's see. We probably do. Nope, we don't. Okay. Let's short Arrow. Just did $1,000 short. I probably need to scale this up. That's just not enough, is it? I'll just start with 1,000. I don't have time to be watching this. So another thing, so to see my positions, order trade and history. So today is the 8th. So you can see I did some rebalancing. So bought Orca, SLF and Ica, and I sold a bunch of shit, like shorted a bunch of shit like bread, sheep, algo, CAS, ETHFI, TIA, PIA. So I just rebalanced the books. Yeah, we made like a couple K in the last 2-3 days. We have a lot of positions on. And yeah, to be honest, right now, I'm almost tempted to just buy BTC. Yeah, we're very neutral at the moment. Our book is very, very neutral. I'm kind of tempted because I don't know what else to buy. It's just to buy some BTC. So I'll probably just buy like 20K of Bitcoin. I think that would make some sense. Or would it even? I don't even know what to buy at this point, right? It's like we have Omni, I think, already. Because I thought it would be nice to own some Omni. Like we already have some. We actually have quite a bit of Omni. We have Ica. We have Orca, I believe. Yeah, we have Orca as well. Maybe you can buy like a little bit more. What else? We have, I think we have Bera and SLF. It's another coin I wanted to buy. Yeah, it turns out we don't have Bera, so let's have some Bera. Okay, and I think we want SLF as well. Actually, we already have SLF. It's one of our biggest positions. We have 8,000 of SLF. $8,500. So that's it. I'm going to leave the portfolio as it is. And the market itself now, I think it's pretty, I wouldn't say boring, but it's almost tempting to long Ethereum right now for just a super greedy scalp. Let's have a look if that actually is a trade worth taking. Do I want to buy here and set the stop loss? I mean, that would be mega greedy. Even here. I mean, if I do this, guys, that's just degenerate behavior. Can risk like $170. So yeah, there we go. 160k position, risk like, yeah, we're gonna risk like $200, $180, and it's 160k position. Yeah, anyway, that's just a degenerate scalp. Obviously this works. I'm gonna be putting it all in front of my video tomorrow, but I think it's nice to have these sort of positive skew plays from time to time whenever the asset like ETH is pumping hard. And the reason I entered, you can see we had these green candles, right? And sometimes they work out really, really well. Anyway, I'm going to end the stream here. Hope you guys are all well. As always, if you want to join the Telegram chat, Telegram group, trade on my referral link, send me a message on Telegram or Twitter. I'm going to upload all of my open positions on a website so you can track me live. And this also grants you access to all of my custom indicators, such as this. Yeah, so like these ones, I'll show you how to use them, the trend indicator and the volume flow intensity. All right, peace.